am in love with this. This is amazing. It is their BioMimic Foundation. It has SPF 50 in it, which I love. I think that's so important. It has color mimicking technology. So apparently it's going to match my exact skin tone. So let's try this. Okay. Wow. Do you see how that is just perfectly matching my skin tone? Oh, and it feels so light. It doesn't feel cakey at all. It feels like my skin is super smooth with it on. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, and it feels so velvety soft and smooth. Look at that coverage too. It's like light. It's not too cakey. I feel like I could still see my regular skin underneath. Okay, I'm sold. This is amazing.